Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My friends and my students and my also viewers, how are you all? I are you all fit and fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Now, today I am going to discuss very interesting topic. Okay? So my friends, today's topic is how to speak English very confidently. Okay? So, first of all, I would like to share a speech of Bruce Lee. Bruce Lee said, "I fear not the man who has practiced 10,000 kicks once, but I fear the man who has practiced one kick 10,000 times." So my friends, if you want to be a perfect speaker and also if you want to speak very confidently, you have to learn. Otherwise, you cannot be perfect speaker and you cannot speak English very confidently. So, my friends, you have to practice. After learning, you have to practice. Then would be better for you. And one day you will be a perfect speaker and you will speak English very confidently. 100%. My friends, I applied these rules. At first I learned, then I have practiced more and more, and now also I am practicing English more and more. So my friends, for your sake, if you want to be a perfect speaker in English, you have to learn and you have to practice. Bruce Lee said, "You don't practice one kicks once, but one kicks you have to practice more and more and more. Then please learn and practice. Learn and practice. Otherwise you cannot be a perfect." So in the world, those who has been perfect speaker in English, they have practiced more and more. It's 100% true. No more today. Please pay for me. Then I can upload educational tutorial for you. And if you like this topic, please subscribe my channel. Okay? And it can help me inspire, okay, to make new video for you. Take care, my friends. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.